The arts at SCH are intrinsically woven into the student experience. From the moment students begin their journeys here, they're immersed in a creative environment where artistic expression is both celebrated and nurtured. Our innovative curricula are brought to life by a team of active teaching artists who inspire students both in and out of the classroom. These educators are also practitioners in their respective fields, working as woodworkers, violinists, architects, graphic designers, and audio engineers, to name just a few. The upper school arts offer countless electives with specialized studies in the performing arts, visual arts, and new media. In the performing arts and music, students may take part in many different ensembles, including orchestra, honors chamber ensemble, honors jazz ensemble, vocal workshop and chamber singers, or our honors a cappella groups, Hilltones and Lorelei. They also may explore music composition and audio engineering while taking songwriting in the Jamie Bell recording studio. Our goal is to let all students learn the basics of performance and feel empowered in that spotlight, both within the classes as well as our award-winning theater troupe players. In visual arts, students may take a variety of classes or advance to portfolio building courses in woodworking, photography, drawing and painting, or ceramics. And this learning extends into our Carpenter Gallery and our Barbara Crawford Gallery. The Barbara Crawford Gallery plays a pivotal role connecting students to the broader arts community. Through 2 externally curated exhibitions each year, the program inspires and encourages dialogue among our larger community. In new media, students may choose from progressive courses in video production, architectural design, fashion design, or creative coding. A hallmark of the arts at SCH is a passion-driven culture that fuels the program. The arts at SCH seeks to give students exposure to a wide variety of tools, methods, media, and mindsets, allowing them to build confidence in many artistic fields. As students move through the program, this exposure acts as a bridge that helps them to discover and develop their innate curiosity. And ultimately, it sparks their desire to create. And the beauty is that through this process, students don't just become technically proficient. They come to view themselves as artists, gaining confidence to experiment, take risks, and push boundaries in their creative work. I invite you to come to our SCH and experience firsthand how the arts encourage our student artists and musicians to view themselves not just as learners, but as creators, with the tools, guidance, and community to pursue their artistic dreams.